Hey guys, introductory video here. I'll show you the concept we have for the sorting table. Uh, just kind of go over a few things quickly. Keep in mind this is a concept. There's a lot of safety requirements that are not shown here, such as skirting and the finishing touches on the hopper, and a lot of the mounting attachment stuff all have to be designed and engineered down the road. But this is a good overall view of what it's going to be like. As you can see, it's hooked up to a tractor trailer unit here. The trailer itself is actually part of the system as discussed. What you see is the fifth wheel hitch up front here. Can show you a bit of a side view, get you into how it would actually be traveling down the highway. Set of bogies at the back allows you to hook up your air and everything. Lights would be built into the trailer, be able to transport this down. Keeps the weight down, having the hopper and everything at the front. We can spread the load over the tandem on the tractor itself. As you're driving, you're going to notice a few things. We're able to keep the height below legal limit and have still a fairly extensive hopper. Loading and unloading the trailer itself is quite simple. All you need to do is have some sort of lifting, whether it's an excavator, crane, set of jacks, portable jacks underneath, just to take the weight of the unit. Then you'll be able to slide the fifth underneath. Go switch over here to the setup view, kind of what it looks like, and go through some of the actual equipment choices here. What you'll see, quick snap to the side view, you're going to see that when the unit itself is actually in place, we're sitting the frame of the unit on the ground. This creates a very stable base, as the whole unit itself is actually supported by the ground. On the framework, there'd be probably four rails, the full length of the system, plus all the cross bracing. This is just an example of something that it might be like. Again, has to be engineered. As you see it sitting on the ground, we'll go through here a little bit, talk about some of the pieces. Start with the Grizzly, looking at a vibrating Grizzly deck. We'd kind of talked somewhere around a 36-inch wide, 12 to 16 feet. Not sure exactly what size of the hopper will be, but it looks something a little bit like this, maybe a flared end on the front there, depending if we're going to end load or side load this thing. Grizzly can be either electric or hydraulic, or sorry, electric over hydraulic. If we do go down the road of electric over hydraulic, we'd probably have to put a electric hydraulic reservoir and pack and stuff in here as shown. Just kind of put it in there just to see what this thing would look like for space. As the material's loaded with the loader here or excavator, whatever you have, into the hopper, the fines are going to drop through the top of the bottom of the Grizzly, down through into a hopper, which I do not have clearly shown here, but there'd be a hopper down onto a side conveyor, which would then load out onto your stacking conveyor. All the larger material that would need to be sorted is going to drop down either on a ramp onto a load plate under here, or something similar to the one that you guys already have. And the conveyor will take it down the sorting deck. Platform down either side. We talked about 30 inches wide that either of the guys can walk up and down. Another feature of putting the container right on the ground is having the ability to have your sorting bins also on the ground, so no need to rack them or house them up higher, or no need to drop stone down into them. You're all at the same sort of working height. Again, as the material flows down the main conveyor out onto your stacking conveyor. Give you a bit of an idea. The overall length of the container, we'd like to kind of keep around 40 feet. I think that'll work for you guys as well. The conveyor itself is going to be somewhere around 20 feet in length, 20 to 24 inches in width, and 36 to 40 inches off the deck. All that stuff can be determined through some of the conversations we're going to have. This is a general idea of what it is. Hopefully this is something you guys would like. We're pretty fond of it, and you can let us know what you think. Thanks.